Haven't we calculated rebar quantities sometimes in our carriers? We all know how it is difficult. Here is the solution. Insta-bar extracts the rebar quantities from the drawing in a few seconds. The output is given in the Excel file. Today I am going to demonstrate the rebar quantities tool in the Revit plugin Insta-bar. We are going to draw rebar quantities from these two column towers. They are on A1 and A2 grids. Hit the tool Rebar Quantities. As we want quantities of foundations and columns, select these two boxes. Decide the file name and its path by hitting Browse. Click the OK button. See this message, successfully completed. Let us open this file. In this file, there are two tabs. You will find rebar quantities of foundations in the Foundation Steel tab. These two rows display the rebar quantities in Foundation A1. January is the phase of the foundation on A1. Naturally, the rebars in that foundation will have the same phase property. You can also see the bar length and total bar length. Similarly, these two rows show the rebar quantity in the A2 foundation. You can evaluate InstaBar for 15 days. Download it from the site. Column Steel tab displays the column rebar quantities. The first column is the mark column. You can see bar quantities on A1 grid. They begin from level 2 and end at level 8. The rebar quantities are segregated according to its diameter. Phase column displays quantities from January to June. Similarly, these rows of the table display quantities in the A2 column. Using this table you can calculate phase-wise costing of the rebars. This Revit plugin InstaBar helps to generate rebars for foundations and columns. Within next few months we will be extending its capability to beams and slabs.